Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. Get you guys a little bit of box action. Let that focus. This one reads the Air Jordan 7 Black Citrus and Varsity Red, aka the Jordan 7 Citrus. I had a couple pairs of these that came moldy. So I'm going to have to send them back. I'm going to check this pair out now. But I just quickly went over this pair. It looked okay. I have to go over both shoes. If there's any mold on them, I'm sending it back. It's not worth it in my opinion. But overall, the prices of these shoes are everywhere. The materials on this one is pretty good. It's a pretty okay shoe. All black with the citrus stitching. Jordan 23 on the back. I don't know if these were unlaced and relaced, but mine came tied up in the bunny ears. That was pretty weird to me. Let me let you guys see. I don't know if yours came like this, pre-tied with the bunny ears. I don't know if these are returns or what. Like I said, all black shoe, citrus and red. I am seeing a little bit of mold spots on this shoe. It's like it's light mold, but there is some still here. I don't know if you guys could make it out, look like here. A couple mold spots here. Nothing as major as a couple of the other people's, but let me know how you guys' pairs came. Picked up some in store, they weren't bad. Yeah, it's got just a couple hits. Let's see if anyone wants this shoe for a discount. If not, sending it back. Jordan 7 bottom. That's all around good job. Sorry about that, guys. My camera cut off and switched to internal storage. Let's get this one over with. Know what you guys think about this shoe. If you're going to buy one, the yours come with mold. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!